How to fix Bluetooth issues on iPhone. Is your iPhone Bluetooth not working or disconnecting? Let's fix it step by step. So go ahead and open up settings from your iOS device. So go ahead and click on settings from here, and then from here go ahead and look for Bluetooth, click on it and turn it off and wait for 10 seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the connection. Second thing you can do is to forget and repair your device. Tap the info button next to your device, select forget this device, and then repair it in pairing mode. Third is to restart iPhone. Restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. This often fixes Bluetooth drops. Fourth, update iOS. Go to Settings, General, then Software Update. Install the latest iOS version to fix Bluetooth bugs. Fifth, reset network settings. Reset network settings to clear Wi-Fi, VPN, and Bluetooth data. Reconnect your devices afterward.